This is a Kohler CH730. Got the new pistons in, honed the cylinders, crosshatch, new pistons, rings, and same connecting rods. So I've got all that bolted into the crankshaft, torqued, and the crankcase housing, got all that back on. It's all torqued. So got the all the new lifters put in. New oil filter. Got everything sealed up on it pretty much. I'll cover this tonight so dust doesn't get in it. So all those parts go on that engine. The two heads, I'm soaking those right now. I cleaned them up a little bit already, but still got some more to go. I'm going to go ahead and lap the valves, get that going, and put new seals, valve guide seals. So once I get the heads on, then I'll be able to put everything back together and run this puppy. See how it does.